the yellow it's a left turn, and the green it's a right turn. In the brown it's a TM or running light, whatever it is. And blue it's just a brake. Black hot wire, and reverse, and red. This is a standard color code. But this one, this kind of plug is got like the red one is their left turn. Okay.
And what is it typically?
I mean, yellow one. This
Oh.
is the standard, but this one is in red. So I bet you the right one is be the green. Sometimes you just want to get it like, nope. So he put in like brown, I guess. See?
Oh, yeah.
So the running light, I think it just be in, what's the running light? This one. Seeing the green go. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
So lots of people, he's thinking about it all the time, and this kind of plug, it just run like a standard color code, but it doesn't, because in this one particular it's just opposite everything.
Yeah.
So the running lights in the green, the right turn into the brown, and left turn into the red. So the yellow one you use it for backup light. What's the reverse in this thing? Yeah. See?
You're pretty smart.
See? And the hot wire is going to be in this one. The black.
That's pretty nifty.
So, I got it right now for rewiring my other plug. So
So since
left, right, running lights, hot wire, and reverse.
And he just wanted to change his plug out because there was some wires showing or something?
Yeah, the customer, he don't want to show the wire out of the insulator or whatever it is.
Oh, so you just cut it off to see how it was already ran, which is
before
smart.
I put another one, because we want to put one of those.
Nice.
Yep.
That's how you do it. Another lesson by Chewy the Great.
Start for all parts, bro.